as Rector of this university, promise solemnly that with the support of God's grace, I will engage diligently and faithfully in fulfilling my task.
Lines of very long standing who are here present today to be elected as Rector of this great and historic opportunity and to have this tremendous privilege to deliver an installation address. Now, let's face it, it's often said about Gilmore Hill that if you're lucky, the university gives you a degree, but it's the university unions that give you your education. In that respect, you're looking at a very well-educated graduate this afternoon. Indeed, I can't make any great claims for the quality of the original degree that I emerged with at all. In fact,
it's a video actually.